If you have never tried this clove water on your hair, you are actually sleeping on a bicycle. This is the remedy that is breaking the internet and you are still yet to use it. Don't worry, that's why I'm here for you. So this is the star of the show, cloves. And most of you have it in your kitchen, but you don't know that it can actually grow out your hair. And you have been, using it for zobo and other things. Some of you even do the water for other things, right? But not your hair. And you still have bald edges, receding hairline, your hair is not, growing, it's stunted and everything. This contains eugenol. It has anti-inflammatory properties that will help to grow out your hair. So don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do it. So take 1 spoon of cloves and put it in a bowl. Ensure that it is 1 spoonful of cloves. Once you put it in, then you would boil water. Ensure that the water boils to 100 degrees Celsius. After boiling the water, pour it into the cloves, your desired amount. I use like 2 cups of water for this. Then after 24 hours of infusion, of maceration, this is what we have and this is what it is looking like. The cloves have washed off all its nutrients. As you can see, the color has changed from transparent to a dark brown color. So yeah, this is what we're working with. If you check closely, you will notice that the color of the clove itself has actually changed from dark color to a very light brown color. Don't worry, I'll be making a comparison so that you can easily see that it has actually washed off its nutrients. So many people have started using cloves water. It is not just a trend, but it's something that actually works. That is why I am sharing it with you on this page. So don't sleep on it anymore. It is easy to make. 1 spoonful of cloves with boiled hot water and you're good to go. After 24 hours, you strain it using a sieve or a cheesecloth as you see me do. So this is it, we're done sieving. The next thing is to transfer it into a spray bottle or an applicator bottle. So yeah, this is the cloves that is the residue, and this is our filtrate which we'll be using for hair growth. So you can apply this 3 to 5 times weekly, but don't forget to always moisturize because cloves have drying effect and you don't want your hair to break. We want to retain length rather than lose our hair to breakage. So this is a comparative video I'll be showing you. As you can see, the cloves that are dried are black in color, while the ones that are washed off are brown in color. So you are sure that the nutrient has actually washed off in the water. So the next thing you need to do is to get your spray bottle and pour in your previously strained water. This will make it easy for application. You'll be very, 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 smooth with your application. Where you need to apply this, your edge line, your scalp in general, you can extend it, like sprint the water on your hair itself, but not so much because as I earlier stated, cloves have drying effect. So you just put like a little bit on your hair, but focus mainly on your scalp because scalp is actually where the growth starts from. So this is it, goodness in a bottle, very easy to make, very good for everyone that's trying to grow out their hair. Don't miss out on this one ingredient that could change your hair game for the best. So moving on, I'll be showing you how I apply this on my edges to grow out my edge line. As you can see, my edge line is actually looking full. So the next thing is you need to shake it and spray, and you need to press in the product as you see me do. I'm trying to press it in so that it can soak into my scalp and do the job. This is how you apply it. Then you also apply it all around your scalp and you are good to go. One good thing about this is that it would absorb into your hair strand and absorb into your scalp and do the job. You can pair this with rosemary oil or any other hair growth oil of your choice to seal in the moisture. So this is how my hair is looking. It's easy to detangle. My edge line is looking full. Everything is on point. So aside from applying cloves on your scalp, you need to have a very good routine, a very good hair growth routine, a very good process to keep your hair in check. Number 1, wash your scalp regularly. Number 2, use deep conditioner to restore any form of moisture that you have lost on wash day. After that, you leave your hair to air dry and you apply leave-in conditioner. Thereafter, you follow up with shea butter or any of your oils for your hair to seal in the moisture. So yeah, basically you need to do all of this, and don't forget to put your hair in a protective style like chunky braids, chunky twist, cornrows, African thread, all of that shenanigans, just to keep your hair in check, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so this is just, the tips that will help to grow out your hair. It is very easy. It is the easiest. Just go to any store near you that sell herbs and spices, ask them for cloves, and do yours now. Hair growth product is no longer as expensive as before. We can now do it at the comfort of our home with home remedies, with recipes that are just sitting in our kitchen that can actually do the job. So yeah, no more excuse for stunted growth or bald spot or bald edges. Use this recipe now. Don't rinse it out till your wash day. So yeah, I mean your favorite hair coach. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell your friends about this video because this actually needs to go viral. Let people not miss out on everything good. So close water for the win. Save this video, share it, like, subscribe, everything good. I'll see you in my next. Bye guys.